Year to date, this dividend achiever is down over 26%. This puts them at the bottom of their 52-week range. With a current market cap of $328 billion, it's safe to say this company isn't going bankrupt anytime soon. And if you're a long-term dividend investor, this might be the chance you've been waiting for. And what company is this we're talking about? The Home Depot, ticker symbol HD. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Johan Lorenzo, and in this channel, we talk about dividend stocks and dividend growth investing overall. If that's something you're interested in, I'm inviting you to subscribe to the channel and come along for the journey. As always guys, if you love generating passive income through the form of dividend growth investing, then please give this video a big thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below if you own any shares of Home Depot. With all that said, let's get into it. One of the things I love most about Home Depot is their growing dividend. Over the last 20 years, they have a yearly dividend growth rate of 20%. They've been growing that dividend for over 13 years now, and they've been consistently paying a dividend for over 34 years. If you own shares of the Home Depot, you will get paid a dividend of $1.90 for every share you own. They are currently paying a dividend in the months of March, June, September, and December. As I mentioned earlier, this stock is literally at the bottom of its 52-week range, and that puts their current dividend yield 13% above their 5-year average. With a current dividend yield of 2.5%, the stock currently has a PE ratio of 19.2, making it one of the most affordable times to purchase this stock within the last 5 years. And if you are a long-term investor, this price range might be right up your alley. Home Depot stock price is currently below $300 per share. The company's earnings per share have been steadily growing over the years. They've also been scaling their total sales over the years as well. And looking at the company's outstanding shares, we can see they've been buying back a ton of their shares too. And if we take a look at the technicals here, we can see the stock is at a major support level where you see this blue line on the chart. With its current price tag below $300 per share, you've basically turned back the hands of time and now have the opportunity to purchase this stock for the same price it was trading in about a year ago. TipRanks is giving Home Depot an average price target of $382.56 per share, with a high of $455 and a low of $320 per share. Being below 300 bucks, I decided to buy a couple shares of Home Depot and add them to the portfolio. Right now, the portfolio is just under $24,000 and it has a current dividend yield of 1.44%. I know that's a pretty low dividend yield, but that's mainly because I'm focusing on growing my position with Apple. And once I get to 100 shares of Apple, I'll be able to sell covered call options and generate some pretty decent income every week. I currently own 76 shares of Apple at an average cost per share of $161.54. I will be using all of the income I make on selling options on Apple to buy more dividend stocks. So stay tuned for that because I will be documenting every bit of it here on this channel. And if you're interested in seeing another great dividend stock I just purchased, then click on this video right here and check it out for yourself. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. With all that said, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace!